So little Willow here and the yellowbird have been in breeding mode since it's fall. Willow just turned 2, and I figured I'd try an experiment here to try and knock her out of breeding mode. Curious to see how perception works on little birdie brains. Well, let's see, tried to go for it. Let's see. Willow's 2. She's never seen an egg before. See, she's got like some sort of instinct. Come here, little Willow. Here. It's your eggie. See, she knows what to do with it, even though she's never seen one before. Where are you going, Willow? Oh, well, I guess that was that.